Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombie Bargain Hunter, and today I'm going to be picking up a bunch of toys. My toy guy is supposed to meet me. We're going to Yamava Casino. I have a few breakfast buffets coupons, so it's like, oh, what the heck. It might rain today, so it's actually perfect to go meet inside of like a structure so I don't get wet and transferring the toys back and forth. So it was kind of perfect to go to the casino today. Anyways, sorry I haven't been uploading lately. I've been super busy. A lot of you know my mom's been in and out of the hospital and with the doctor calls and her calling, and it's just been hectic. So I just really haven't had time to upload anything or do anything really. See, I have all the boxes to give him back so he can fill them up for me. He says it's going to be about 14, not 14, I wish it was 14, $4,400 today, so I'll get a full car for $4,400. Sales have been up and down since like I said, I've been busy with my mom. I haven't been listing much, so it's not much to show you lately, but I'll get into I'll start doing more videos hopefully next month. Well, it's December, so this is next month. But yeah, I'll be posting more and I'll be doing more on YouTube again. But lately, like I said, I've been super busy and I just haven't had time. But yeah, we'll get back in videos and hopefully you'll be watching. Alright, gotta head out. It is 9. Well, I gotta meet him at 9:30. It is about 8. Yeah, my clock is wrong. I haven't switched it from the daylight saving time, so I'm like, look at, well, I'm late. I'm almost late already. But no, I haven't switched the time. So, anyways, I'm tired. As you can see, I'm just rambling. I'll let you know when we get to the casino. Alright, heading up to the casino. You can see it's straight ahead. Gonna have some fun, hopefully, and win some money, maybe. Yeah. Just pulling into the parking lot. Supposed to meet the toy guy on the second story, and yeah, he'll fill up my car. He's like a Alright, so it is 9 a.m. I'm a little bit early. I'm supposed to meet him at 9:30 here. But they're doing a giveaway at Yamava. Turn that around. Get my finger out of the way. Brought a few of these toys. They're old Frozen toys that I've had in my store for a while. But they're doing a giveaway right now. Well, not a giveaway. You bring in 2 toys, they give you $10 in slot play and then $10 in free food. So gonna turn those in and get a free buffet out of it. I have 2 free buffets already. My toy guy is gonna bring a friend, so we'll have 3 free buffets, and well, hopefully we'll have some fun in the casino and win some money so I can pay off some of this toys that I'm about to buy. You can see got a ton of boxes back there. But yeah, so let's have some fun, and I'll show you when I get a bunch of toys. Alright, I just got home. It is about 2 p.m. right now. Had a great time. Got a hand pay at the casino. If you want to see that video, I'll actually put it at the end of this video. But yeah, I was playing a little piggy game and I got a hand pay, so I will post that video at the end of this. But you can see completely full with action figures and items. Let me show you a couple that I have here. They're loose. Got this guy. What is he? Scarif Shore Trooper? Something? Trooper? Shore Trooper? I don't know what the heck that is. I got this guy. these are just a couple figures that are out of the boxes. There's a monster. Kong Skull Island. Look at his face. And we got a little trooper with him. And let's see, what else do I have here that I can show you real fast? We have a Kiss Mood box. Okay. I'm not sure even what the heck a mood box is. It's not like a mood ring. Got a black series. And it looks like there's some kind of dinosaur or something. I'm trying to show it to you. But yeah. Well, let me take some of this inside and let me show you some of it that I got. And then if you want to see the video of me getting a hand pay, I will put it at the end of the video. All right. Okay, I am back from the casino. Made a few dollars there. It's actually a couple days later, and I'm just finally getting to do the rest of this video. But anyways, let me show you a few of the items that I got. I brought about 5 of the boxes. I think I have like 40 something boxes in the car. But let me show you some of the big guys I got. I showed you a couple in the car. But yeah, I got these guys. I got a box of Plush, which is surprising. I've never never received Plush from him. This is R2-D2. This is Star Wars Buddies. Not too familiar with the Buddies, but this one looks Chewbacca. Oh yeah, Chewbacca looks all messed up, but hey, if he sells, he sells, right? Yeah. There's 2 of each of these guys in this box, and this one really looks good. The Wicket, really look at his face. It really looks nice. So this one, out of all 3 of those, looks really cool. All right. Get this out of the way and let's see what's in these. Got some Star Wars figures, some of these Johnny Lightning cars, 007, Dub City. These have been selling pretty well lately. NECA scalers, I guess you hang them on, I don't know, there's a rope or something? I don't know. But it's a Comic-Con exclusive and it's NECA, so I'm sure it'll sell well, even though never seen those guys. We have Supergirl. What is that? World's Finest, the collection. Some kind of exclusive. Let's see if I can focus. But okay. Got a bunch of pops here. Get my finger out of the way. Yeah, this is just a box of pops. I'll go through it real fast. And there's a Conan pop, there's an Olaf pop, there's a Cars, and the Daytona. Yeah, so there's a lot of, just a lot of things. This is just the first box. I have 40 more boxes to go through, I think. Yeah, this is just the first box. So, yeah. I was thinking of doing Whatnot to get rid of some of this inventory, where I just have so much right now. Let me know in the comments if you think that'll be a good idea. Will any of you join me? That's the first box. Let's go to the second box. These Schlag, I don't know. I don't know how to say it, but some of these sell very well, and other, the more expensive ones don't even seem to sell, so not sure if it's just people aren't looking for them anymore, or am I putting them up too high? Probably got to play with the price a little bit, and maybe take a few better offers. We have the Vader. We got a SpongeBob. Rock'em Sock'em Robots. These world's smallest. They're like this. If you find any of these, check them out because they sell. They don't sell for a ton of money, like 30 bucks or so. But I mean, for these tiny things, look at this. They're super tiny. They're like for these tiny little things, they make some good money. 30 bucks for that tiny little thing.
Doing my duty. Duty. Me no hurry. Me no hassle. This your throne and this your castle. Just relax, friend. Let it flow now. And be sure to wash your hands before you go now. I'm just here doing my duty.
Okay. I gotta leave that guy alone. I can play with that guy all night. Ugh. We have an M&M Star Wars like dispenser for M&Ms.
Already warm.
This guy's still talking. Let me put him down here. He's still talking. Alright, doesn't even look like I can get through the second box. This is taking forever. Got these guys. What are they? Dashboard dancer. So you stick these guys in the dashboard. Sorry if I'm a little bit low. I moved my camera. I got a new camera stand, so it's like a little bit higher. So I'm not used to it yet. Get this. Oh, two of those guys. Oh, wait, this guy. This guy's still talking. Frankenstein's still talking on the right of me. Alright, we're just going to go through 2 boxes because I am running out of space here. Oh, this one's heavy. This is a die-cast Kylo Ren. He's about 2 pounds. He's super heavy, maybe even 3. But that guy's super heavy. Legos always do very well. And Funko Pop Resistant BB unit. And 2 more Lego sets. And that's the first 2 boxes that I have. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. And don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. I'm going to put the video of me getting the hand pay on a nice little casino game. Alright guys. See you next video. Bye. after this.